Welcome back, everybody, to Kirk's Outdoors Adventures. On today's episode, we're going to show you how to fish with spinners. Here I got a Mepps number 3, colored like a rainbow trout, and I'm using my Fluger President and a Shakespeare Micro Series Walmart rod. So here I'm going to properly show you how to fish a spinner in a river. So here in the river we got the fast current, and as you come back this way it gets down here into this hole and you got the tail out. So you cast it out there about straight across, keep your tip down just in front of your spinner out there, and you just kind of let the current drag it downstream. So it flitters and flutters in front of a fish's face and makes him mad. And he comes up and hits it. So to determine how deep the spinner goes, the lower your rod tip is to the water, the deeper the spinner's going to go. So you can play with the depth as you go across the hole by just bringing your tip of your rod up and down. So here we go with another cast. So if I want it to be really high, you can almost see it in the top 6 inches of the water there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can. Then you cast it back out there, and if you want it to go deep, you put your tip way down and you drag it across the bottom. We'll keep going along here and see if I can catch one on camera for you guys using this technique. I'm not saying you can't cast upstream, because you can. You just got to reel a lot faster to get the lure to do the right action. Still cast with your tip down. This method for fishing with spinners works for all sorts of species. Trout, brown trout, brook trout, salmon, steelhead, works for them all. Alright, so we got this fast current. You just lob it out here. Ooh, keep your tip down. Follow your line with the tip of your rod. Got a leaf. Leaf on, leaf on. Okay, let's try that again. Cast it out there. Ooh, log. Then you keep your tip down. And it should drag through the bottom of that hole right in front of the fish's face. Ooh. It doesn't matter what kind of spinner you use, whether it's a Mepps or a Panther Martin or Ozark Trail or whatever it is. That's the best way to fish it, is cast straight across and let it just roll down the current to about 45 degrees down. And that is the proper way to fish a spinner in a river. Thank you guys for joining me, and we'll see you on the next one.